Affiliate Millionaire. What is affiliate marketing and why you matter the most? Hey, it's Mark here, and in today's Affiliate Millionaire in 2 minutes, we're going to talk about what affiliate marketing is. And in a moment, I'll reveal why you, the affiliate, matter the most. So, affiliate marketing is basically where you promote other people's products, and when people click, opt in, or buy, you get a cut or commission from the vendor. This can be anywhere from 1 cent per click to $1 per opt in lead, or up to 100% of the sale. You would basically find a market of people who need some type of product or service, find an affiliate offer for that product or service, and then send the people to the offer. Of course, it is a little more complicated than that in practice, as you need to create some content, landing pages, possibly build email lists and funnels to help pre-sell the offer, but that is about what it is in a nutshell. And all kinds of companies, which we call the vendor or merchant, offer these bounties for your help in bringing them leads and sales. Companies like Amazon offer up to 15% of a sale for some products. Other merchants offer even more, especially ones offering digital products and services, where, like I mentioned earlier, they offer up to 100% of the sale. Now, earlier I said I would share with you why you, the affiliate, matter the most. This is because your reputation is everything. If your target audience doesn't trust you, you're not going to make a dime. So make sure you focus on providing value to your audience over and above what you will make from a sale. If you like these quick hit internet marketing videos, please click the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell to be notified when I post a new video. In the next video, we'll discuss the dream of making money in your sleep without going to jail. See you then.